Afternoon everybody. I hope you guys are fit and fine and you are staying indoors. So the COVID is spreading like forest fire, so it's better to stay at home rather than staying at hospital. So in this week we will learn a few kicks and a few basics. Then next week we'll be going to different punches, then different stances, different katas and kumites techniques. So I hope you guys will practice twice or thrice a week and you guys will be fit and fine. So let's start today's session. So before you start, make sure that you respect your seniors and juniors and you do a bow and then you start. So before starting any game, it's better and it's necessary to start with the warm-up. So let's start with the warm-up. So first you jump slowly and make your body ready to go for the next kicks. Then you do side, then you do front, then you do punch rolling 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, then reverse again, then you do shoulder up and down, then reverse rolling, then reverse, then you do some stretches, now hand rolling, then head rolling, you do all these exercises for minimum to minimum 10 reps, and after you complete all the exercises then you go for the next session, that is the kicks. So now when you are done with your warm-up session, now we'll go forward towards the kicks. So before starting you do another bow and you stand in the Musudachi position. From here you do the Zenku Sudachi stance. So from here you do Zenku Sudachi. Okay, now fighting position. So the first kick that we will learn is swing kick. Okay, swing. So from here you stand like this and you count 1, just raise your leg. Okay, just raise your leg. Okay, now powerful. Okay, powerful. Okay, so you do this kick for 20 repetitions for this leg and 20 repetitions for left leg. Okay, you stand like this, you hit. You stand like this, you hit. You stand like this, you hit. Okay, so you do this kick for 20 repetitions and 20 repetitions. That means 20 times. 20 times this leg and 20 times this leg. So then you are done with the swing kick. Now we will do the side kick, which is called in Japanese is yokogiri. So for that you stand in this position and this kick is used to push your opponent during a fight. So you stand like this and you hit back. Okay, 1, back. Okay, you push and get back. Okay, you see my this leg, you can see it will roll. Okay, now fast, back, 1, back. Okay, so same with this leg, you go 1, back, you go 1, back. So again you will do this for 20 times for right leg and 20 times for left leg. So now when you are done with the swing kick and yokogiri, that is the side kick, now it's time for the slap kick, that is called the mawashigiri. So you stand in that position and you take your hand like this, ready, 1, you kick, get back. Okay, so 2, back, 3, slowly kick, back, slowly kick, back. Okay, 1, back. Okay, so again with this leg you go 1, back, 2, back, ready, 1. Okay, so same you do for 20 times for right leg and 20 times for left leg. Till now you are done with 3 kicks. Okay, the first you did is the swing kick, second you did is the side kick, and the third you did is mawashigiri, that is the slap kick. So now we will go towards our fourth kick, that is the maigiri, which is called in English is the front kick. It is used to push your opponent during a kumite fight. Okay, so why it is called push kick? Because you push your opponent from here, push your opponent. Okay, so same, you stand like this and you push. Okay, ready? 1, back, 2, back, 3, 4. Okay, so 1 kick, back. Okay, so this kick you do it for same 20 reps. Okay, so let's go to the next kick. We are done with our fourth kick. Now it's time for a very special kick and a very scoring kick. Okay, so most of the times the fighters use this kick, so I hope you guys would practice this, and it's very cautious that this kick should be performed by class 6 and above. Okay, from 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 or whatever. So this kick should be done for some elder students. So this kick is called the ura mawashigiri, and in English we say it roundhouse kick. Okay, roundhouse. Okay, we do it like this. So now you stand like this in a position. Okay, and you do the hook kick. Okay, it is also called the hook kick. Okay, ready? 1 kick, back. Okay, 1 kick, back. 1 kick, back. Again you take this leg and again you do again. Okay, ready? 1. Same, this kick you will do for 20 repetitions and 20 repetitions for left leg. So all the best. So now when you are done with the fifth kick, so now we will do a different thing. That will be a combination of the maigiri and the squat. Okay, so you stand in this position and take your hand like this. So from here you count 1, you sit and you kick. Okay, 2, down, kick. Okay, so 3, down and kick. Okay, 4, down and kick. Okay, 5. So you do this for 20 to 25 times according to your body and according to your energy levels. Now when you are done with everything, the last thing before we end today's session, this big session, you will do is push-ups. Okay, so you stand in this position and you do push-up. Ready? 1. So you do this for 10 to 12 repetitions according to your energy levels. And for those who cannot do a push-up, you can also do this one. That is called the knee push-up. You take your knees like this and you stand like this. Okay, from here you do the knee push-up. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this also you do for 10 to 12 repetitions. After the push-up, it's time to end our session. So you end with rolling your hands and doing a few cool down exercises. That is 1, 2, you do like this. Then don't forget to do bow. So the session of this week has ended.